Hi everyone, so in this simulation you will be able to observe how charges and the distance between atoms can affect their force of attraction or repulsion. And this is the main concept of what Coulomb's law is about. So as you see here, we have two atoms with different colors. In the simulation, the blue represents the negative charge atom and the red one is the positive one. Down here, you can also adjust the charge of the atom by changing the scale. So if I pull it toward the right side, it'll become more positive, and if I do it the other way, it'll be more negative. And you also have the option to collect quantitative data by checking on this box for force values. And I am also going to check on the scientific notation so that we can perform this lab like a scientist. First off, we can see that both of these atoms are oppositely charged. So we know that there is a force of attraction rather than repulsion because unlike charges attract each other. To begin, I am going to change the charge of this negative atom and make it more negative. And as I'm doing it, you can see that the force of attraction increases. And as I make the atom less negative, the force of attraction decreases. And you can also observe this from the force of repulsion if you do it to two atoms with the same type of charge, like this. And all these can be explained by Coulomb's law. If I raise the charges, then the numerator is going to have a greater value, which means the force will be stronger. And if I lower the charges, then the force will be weaker. And changing the distance between the atoms will also affect the force of attraction or repulsion. If I pull both of these atoms closer to one another, you see that the force of repulsion increases. And if I do it to two atoms with different charges, then you will see that the force of repulsion gets greater. The force of attraction gets greater. And this totally makes sense if you look at the Coulomb's law equation again. As the distance between the atoms gets smaller, which means the denominator will get smaller, and then the force will be greater because you're dividing it by a smaller number. So yeah, after performing this lab, you should be able to understand how charges and distance can affect the interaction between atoms. Mic dropped. Good luck with the lab. Bye.